is Jingshan Machines Company. Say hi to our overseas visitors.
Hello everyone, thank you to join the virtual show of Reed Exhibition, Corrugated.
Can you give us a brief introduction of our company?
Sure. Uh, Actually, JS Machine was established in 1957. So this year, it's already 63 years right now of the company. Since 1970s, the company has engaged into the business of corrugating packaging. So since it's already 40 years past, and since 2000, we've started to building our overseas branches and subsidiaries, including Russia, Turkey, India, Africa, Southeast Asia, Latin America, North America, Eastern Europe, West Europe. So I can say that all the major continents except Antarctica has a physical presence of JS Machine. And from the first single phaser that was being produced to the market, several years passed, and JS Machine has now grown into a total solution provider who supplies the smart factory design solution, which facilitates information sharing of different business units to optimize the integration of resources, technology, and manpower. And also we supply high average speed, intelligent corrugator, traditional flexos, digital printer, and intelligent logistics systems, which are handled by the robots. Yeah.
Thanks for the introduction, and we prepared some question for you.
Okay.
And due to the COVID-19, what kind of solutions you will make to go through the pandemic?
Okay. When talking about this epidemic, how we JS Machine to handle and tackle this issue, I think I want to break into two parts. It's first how JS support our customers in this special period. Because I have mentioned earlier that JS Machine has global networking, which were being built 20 years ago. So. In many major countries and regions, we have our local team and local guys there. So in this period, even if they have some issues or either commercial or technical, they can find us very easily. And for those countries that we don't have physical presence, they can find our partners, local partners there. And except from that, online tools are very popular these days, and it's really very useful. And how we secure to support our customers on the on-time delivery, because JS Machine is a supplier who combines both MTS and MTO all together. So even though that the factory has been shut down for 45 days during the COVID-19 period, we still have some reserved inventory. So after we go back to the work, so have catch up with the missing days very quickly. And we've also very thankful to our clients. They expressed deep understanding about the situation with us. Because of the COVID-19, that a lot of overseas clients cannot visit us, cannot see JS facilities and also the showroom in China. It's a pity, but I also take this chance to express my thanks to Reed Exhibition, because they have a very good organization this time. We have the online virtual show here, and we have set up the point-to-point promotion. So even though we cannot face-to-face to meet our clients, but we still have a lot of chances to communicate with them. Yeah.
Okay. So how the outbreak impact to your overseas business? Can you tell us something?
Actually, because I mentioned earlier, we already have the local presence there. So for some countries that were not being dramatically influenced by these issues, actually, and who still has very strong self-owned capital, they are still strictly adhere to their investment plan. So we still get some orders first half this year, and it's a good volume. And for some countries such as Brazil, which and United States, which are still struggling with the COVID-19. Some projects has been delayed later this year or early next year, and some bigger projects such as corrugators and even the whole plant. And now they have break it up into smaller upgrade projects. So I would say that the projects are still there. Some are in time, some may be delayed, but it's still there.
Okay, okay. Which region do you focus area? Can you tell us some place?
Mm, Being a global company, I would say that every market is very important to JS. But if you really want me to pick some from it, I would say that first is for sure Southeast Asia, because we see there is industry transfer from China to Southeast Asia recent years. And so in order to supply technical support and more good service with the local clients there, JS Machine this years have invested a lot of resources into this region. Apart from the branch offices we've already had in Vietnam and Thailand, we've also set up service center in Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia this year. And apart from Southeast Asia, Europe is also another very important market for us because developed countries, developed markets such as Europe and the United States are always ultimate targets of JS Machine. So I don't know whether you have heard it or not. Last year, JS Machine has invested 10 million euro in Italy to build up our R&D center and also a manufacturing base there. And this April, the facilities has been put into operation already. So we have our local team, local R&D team, local talents there, which is aimed to provide a tailored solution for the local markets and also for the developed countries.
Okay, okay. So the last question is, what kind of product you want to bring to us, and can you show us the product some highlights or the details more to show to our overseas visitors?
It's a pity that we didn't bring some products here at the show booth. So I will take this chance to introduce 3 products. First one is the Cruiser corrugator, which is developed based upon our high-end Jet series corrugators with very intelligent control system. This one is targeted for those customers who have much dependence on the intelligent control system, but with only lower production capacity targets, let's say maybe around only 3,000 tons per month, and that one is very suitable for them. Another product I would like to introduce is our latest version of digital press. It is actually our 3rd generation of digital press since our first debut in 2017. This new digital press is a water-based ink digital press. It is actually a whole line, which consists of sheet feeding, printing, drying, coating, slotting, and stacking all together. So it actually integrates several working processes in one machine, in one line. It greatly saves a lot of time and labor costs for our customers. And some merits of this machine is that the printing heads we use on this machine is totally different from other suppliers on the market. This one can be disassembled and repaired rather than other suppliers who can only be replaced. So this one really saves a lot of maintenance cost for our customers and clients. And also because we have a self-developed built-in, we call DCS production management system, which we've also used on our high-end Jet series corrugator. We can realize a water change within 2 minutes, and the printing control technology as well as the ink circulation system are all self-developed by JS itself. So we can secure the stability, repeatability, and also the efficiency of the production. The last product I also want to introduce to our clients is that the JS Folder FFG. The JS Folder FFG has a very, very good case forming accuracy. You can see that on our bulletin board. It is actually, we can realize it's almost zero fishtail on this machine. And it is also a very efficient machine, because when the machine is running with current order, without stopping the machine, the operator can make preparation for the next order, such as changing the printing plate, clean the ink, and pump for the ink for the next order, but not need to stop the machine. And also, when you change the orders from the minimum sheet size to the maximum sheet specification, it takes 3 minutes, most 3 minutes. And for some orders, for some orders of between this order and the next order, if the sheet specification difference is not that much, usually it takes around 30 seconds to finish the order change. And also, it is eco-friendly equipment, because let's say, for example, for 4-color FFG JS Folder, the in-stored power is around 475 kilowatts. But when you really run the machine itself, it's only about 100 kilowatts per hour. So which means it's only about, the real running power of the machine is only about 21% of the total installed power. And also because you use the ducted blade system, which actually the ink consumption of a single color is only around 400 cc. So when we clean the black ink, it takes maximum 5 minutes. For other colors, 3 to 4 minutes. So it really saves the ink and saves the order also. So it's an eco-friendly machine. And I think these are the products that I want to share with the clients and the audience after the screen. Yeah.
Okay. So thanks for Jingshan Machines information. And if you are very interested in our Jingshan machinery, you can leave your message below in the comment area, and we have our specialist to contact you. Okay. To date, our guide tour line is over. If you want to know more about information about the supplier, products, or the machines, we will have another line at tomorrow 10 o'clock. See you later.